Holiday pageants, a cultural exploration. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: holiday pageants. These events are a colorful part of many cultures, and understanding them can enrich your English vocabulary and cultural knowledge. Let's explore what they are and why they're significant. A holiday pageant is a special event, often associated with major holidays like Christmas, Easter, or Thanksgiving. These pageants are theatrical performances that typically involve music, drama, and dance. They are a way for communities to come together to celebrate a holiday, tell a story, or showcase talent. The key aspects of a holiday pageant include costumes, scripts, and performances. Holiday pageants are more than just entertainment. They are deeply rooted in cultural traditions and often reflect the values and history of a community. For example, Christmas pageants might reenact the nativity scene, showcasing the religious aspects of the holiday. Understanding these events can give you insight into cultural practices and shared values in English-speaking countries. Learning about holiday pageants also means expanding your vocabulary. Here are some key terms. Performance: an act of staging or presenting a play, concert, or other form of entertainment. Costume: clothes worn by someone to look like someone else, especially in a play. Rehearsal: a practice or trial performance of a play or other work for later public performance. While the concept of a holiday pageant is common, its execution varies across cultures. In the USA, Thanksgiving pageants might include reenactments of the first Thanksgiving. In contrast, in other countries, holiday pageants might focus on different aspects of their national or religious holidays. This diversity shows the rich tapestry of cultural expressions. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of holiday pageants and their importance in English-speaking cultures. They're a wonderful blend of art, culture, and community spirit. Keep exploring, and you'll find that learning English can be as exciting as it is educational. See you in our next video.